toxicity minus sense of self equals burnout. Right? Toxicity minus sense of self equals burnout. Again, I've seen this in over 700 clients that I have coached through it. I've seen it in conversations that I've had with people when I've come off stage. I've seen it in conversations that I've had with people, in inquiries. I've seen it in the training that I've done with coaches. I've trained coaches from 15 different countries. This is what I see every time that burnout is in the room, right? Toxicity minus sense of self equals burnout. So let's kind of unpick, I suppose, each part of the equation very, very quickly, shall we? So when we talk about toxicity, although it is still reported at the moment that toxic workplaces are still the number one cause of burnout, we do not have to be employed, we do not have to be in the workplace in order to be experiencing burnout. So when I say toxicity, I'm not just talking toxic workplaces. This could be toxic workplaces, but it could also be the environment, the conditions, the ongoing pressure. It could be our own self-talk, it could be relationships, it could be people around us, it could be tasks, it could be habits. Toxicity is basically anything that depletes us. Okay, that's what I'm talking about in this with the equation. So the toxicity is anything that depletes us. The sense of self is who you know yourself to be, right? Your values, your identity, yourself, you, right? Your right to exist as you are. And burnout is what happens when the toxicity exceeds the sense of self. That's how I think about burnout.